Alright, round one.
So this is the cool part.
Don't cut that part out. No.
That was much better than his.
Oh, I can smell it.
Season 2.
That was
Rebecca.
such a good one.
Well done.
That's
Art,
from my childhood.
So if you're just joining us, make sure you don't miss out.
Okay, see, that is
That was a
burp.
really
that
good
was
one.
that was a really good one.
I just want to pause for a second and say, back to Beach Theory.
Oh man, that was a good one.
This is episode the daytime, and we were all playing.
Really?
And all of a sudden, we heard, and we had a big yard.
What am I touching? That was scary. I love these things. It's a show. Saying, I almost.
I love you. Yeah.
Me too.
We are not.
Like, how do you keep burping? Oh, smells like.
For you guys today.
That was a good one.
In our last episode, we talked a ton of kids, and I'm like, who is this family? Save it for later.
That's our first
Save
date.
it for the like I've ever seen in my entire life.
Right?
Right. She's got amazing.
It's like. Perfect. Ready, chop. Oh, that was awesome. Look at all these things. After just like a couple hours, I was like, I hate this. Oh. Hey, Sheila.